Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI Artistry channel. Today we are going to create some images, but we're going to have Chat GPT help us to write some prompts. So here we are in Chat GPT. If you've never used Chat GPT before, you can just Google chat.open.ai or just Chat GPT. You can create an account and then you'll be set. So here in Chat GPT, we are going to have our prompt here, which is you are a prompt professional, the most advanced Chat GPT AI art prompt writer in the world. I'll provide you a prompt, and today your job is to rewrite the prompt, again in 5 different and creative ways that will result in stunning art. Now ask me what prompt to rewrite. So there we go. We have now asked it, or given it this first prompt here. So of course it says, thank you for the kind words. I'm excited to assist you with your art prompt. Please provide me with the prompt you would like me to rewrite in 5 different and creative ways to inspire stunning art. So, the prompt we want to use is a stunning oceanside landscape with fishing boats and cruise ships at sea under a bright sun and blue sky. Now let's see what it can give us here. As you can see, ChatGPT is now spitting out pretty quickly these prompts that we've asked for. And you see it's really fast at creating these prompts. So we're going to go ahead and take this first one here, a harmony of horizons. And let's see what this looks like. We're going to go ahead and use Microsoft's Bing image creator here. So we'll put this prompt in, and as it is creating our prompt, we'll go back and we'll read this prompt. So it says, harmony of horizons, explore the dance of fishing boats and majestic cruise ships adrift in a vast expanse of sapphire waves, basking in the radiant embrace of an eternal sun beneath an azure canopy. That is quite the art prompt, and let's take a look and see what it gave us. So you got some nice blue waves. You got a couple of boats out here. Looks like some clouds in the sky. Not bad. Okay, I really like this one. You got a big cruise ship in the background. You got a little fishing boat here, maybe another little fishing boat off in the distance, and you know, you've got the sun kind of shining down on the water. I like the way that piece of art turned out. A couple cruise ships, couple boats. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So they're all pretty similar. So let's try another one of our prompts. Actually, let's go with the second one. Sunlit Serenade. We'll copy and paste this prompt into Bing Image Creator, and let's see what it gives us. This prompt is being reviewed. Interesting. Okay, well let's skip over that one. There's clearly something in there that is throwing it off a little bit. Immerse yourself in the symphony of a maritime life as fishing boats and elegant cruise ships embark on the watery voyage, bathed in the ethereal glow of a resplendent sun, while an endless sky paints a backdrop. So that is quite the prompt, and I wonder if it's the bathed in a glow might be what's kind of thrown off the prompt for review. So let's skip that one and let's go to this next one here, which the prompt is Tales of the Blue Frontier. So let's put that into the image creator and see what that gives us. So this is Tales of the Blue Frontier. Witness the breathtaking convergence of bustling fishing boats and regal cruise ships as they navigate the open sea, their collective presence illuminated by the brilliance of benevolent sun amidst a tapestry of cerulean hues. And it's still trying to generate our pictures here, so let's actually go and get the next prompt ready to go. And let's see what we've got here. Okay. So yeah, that's definitely really hitting hard with the blue sky theme and the blue water. So you got a lot of boats out here in this sea. I mean, they look good. They're not bad. A lot of boats racing around these big cruise ships out here in this picture. A lot of ships. That's a very busy oceanside spot right there. That's an accident waiting to happen, it looks like. And yeah, they're all very blue here. Let's try our next one. So this one is the Seafarer's Odyssey. which is embark on a visual odyssey where the sea becomes a stage for the interplay between fishing boats and grand cruise ships bathed in the golden light of a triumphant sun as a celestial blue canvas invites the viewer to sail into the horizon. Now it says bathed into the golden light, but it didn't give us any warnings on this one. I kind of like the colors in this a bit more than the last one. So you've actually got some real sunlight kind of shining through here, and you got some big ships and some smaller fishing boats. So yeah, this one looks good. I actually really like that one. Kind of the sun shining right here through the clouds onto the ships at sea. But yeah, these ones are they're all pretty good here. Let's try our last one here, a maritime rhapsody. And let's plug this new prompt in, and we'll see what it gives us. Now, this again, the prompt is unveil a visual rhapsody of the ocean's allure, where fishing boats and luxurious cruise ships gracefully dance upon the sun-kissed waves, their silhouettes defined against a cerulean symphony that orchestrates a captivating drama under the open sky. And again, it's pretty similar to the last one. A little bit less sunlight. You got some bigger waves here, but yeah, you've just got a bunch of ships at sea here. So, you know, we got a lot of different pictures or different types of art here by using Chat GPT. Let's ask for, actually, let's see, let's go provide 5 more images. Let's see, how do we want to do this? At night under a full moon. And let's see what this gives us here. So it's going to give us a few more, well, I guess 5 more prompts because that's what we asked for. So let's take 1 or 2 of these and see what they look like here. So this Moonlight Serenity, let's see what that looks like. So Moonlight Serenity. And this prompt is, explore a tranquil nocturnal world where a shimmering full moon casts its ethereal glow upon an enchanting oceanside landscape. Discover a serene haven as fishing boats and cruise ships traverse the gentle waters, their silhouettes bathed in the silver embrace of moonlight. So, similar pictures. We got these, well, we have multiple moons here. I don't know where these moons are. That's an interesting view. Big moon right there, shining down on the water. That one is interesting. Moonlight, and I don't know if that's the sun maybe starting to come up or what that's supposed to be, but interesting look. Let's try 1 more of these. How about Moonlight Odyssey? Let's see what this picture looks like. But you kind of get the idea. Chat GPT can really help you take a basic prompt and kind of take it to the next level with some additional details to sort of change the way that the interpretation of your AI art will change the art. So this is venture into a nocturnal world of wonder where fishing boats and opulent cruise ships embark on a moonlit odyssey. Bathed in the serene glow of a full moon, the sea transforms into a magical realm, guiding them through the night with an aura of mystery and beauty. And it really loves to bathe in the light, whether it was moonlight or sunlight. But yeah, here are these ships bathing in the light. That one's interesting. Almost a kind of pirate wooden ship is kind of what that one reminds me of. Lit up ship over here and some kind of silhouettes of some fishing boats down at the bottom. That one's an interesting looking picture. But yeah, they all look pretty good. So, you know, Chat GPT is something that can take your idea of what you want your AI art to look like, and it can really give you a lot more images and different ways of kind of writing your art prompts as you're using any of these AI art generators. Again, you know, we use Microsoft Bing today, but yeah, I mean, they all have some similarities because we're asked for just a very basic prompt. The prompt we asked for was a stunning oceanside landscape with fishing boats and cruise ships at sea. But you can see how all the pictures are just different enough, especially when you change it from day to night, and we could go through and play with this some more. But I hope you guys learned something from this, and you can use Chat GPT to help you create better AI art. If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe. Have a good one.